Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export Obsidian nodes to Notion. So let's get straight into it. Now, first, what you are going to do is open up your Obsidian nodes and go to nodes which you want to uh, import into Notion. All right. Now that you open that node which you want to import into Notion, what you need to do is select it, and let's go here to the right corner at the top where you see these three vertical dots, more option, click on it, and then export to PDF. All right, export to PDF, just like so. All right, now we did that, and we can go now into the Notion. So you will open up Notion profile on the web page, like so. And what you're going to do is here at the top right corner where you see again these three dots, you will click on it and then go here to the import. And from here, as you can see, you can import your content, file-based imports, third-party imports, and so on. We will select here import your content. So choose a file here from the computer. Here it is, and open just like so. Import location. Here you can change where you want this to be. So let's leave it like so and then continue. It will take a few moments to import. And just like that, we have import successfully. Go to import, and here it is. We have it now here. So yeah, this is basically it, how you can export from Obsidian and import into Notion. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.